This video features standard cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current meal sauce kit is now sporting a brand new look. Our meal sauce kits are convenient, easy to use and comes complete with condiments. Explore our other meal sauce kits in the range. With our Laksa meal sauce kit, you can now make your very own delicious Laksa meal. One of Singapore's comfort food, Laksa is an aromatic, mild, spicy coconut broth served with thick rice vermicelli and laced with fresh herbs and spices. The Laksa meal sauce kit contains a packet of Laksa premix, Laksa paste with Laksa leaves and sambal chili. In this video, the recommended ingredients are typically used for making a traditional Laksa meal and are optional if they are unavailable in your market. You may also add ingredients according to your preference. You may use either Laksa noodles or Prima Taste La Mian. For Laksa noodles, here are some brands that we recommend available at your local supermarket. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Stir Laksa premix into water. Add Laksa paste and stir well. Do not cover the pot. Bring to boil on high heat. Add tau pok and low boil for another 5 minutes. Step 2. Blanch Laksa noodles and bean sprouts in boiling water for 5 seconds. Drain the excess water and portion them into individual bowls. Step 3. Garnish each serving with fish cakes, prawns and tau pok. Stir before pouring the hot Laksa gravy over. If you like it spicier, you may add sambal chili. And there you have it, a mouth-watering Laksa meal for you and your loved ones to enjoy. Isn't it easy? Try it today. Check out our website for more cooking videos.